Yo, let me see how this is gonna go. We have a ship departing, and at the same time we have KLM coming in. KLM is banking now to come in while the ship is departing. Let me see if the ship is gonna clear the path before KLM lands. Let's see. Yo, come on. If the ship don't clear the path in time, KLM might have to do a go around. Yo, let's see. Gears down. It's coming in. We have a boat there. Wanting to get a flyover. Here she comes, and the ship is. Yo, I don't know if the ship. I don't know if he has to do a go around. Let me see. Yo, is he gonna do a go around or what? What is going to happen? Or can he go over? Huh? Yo, I knew it. I knew it. What kind of arrangement is this? Huh? Yo, they need to communicate with each other. They sent the ship off right when the plane is approaching. So now he has to do a go around because he cannot land with the ship in the path. Yo, I knew it. I knew it. He is making a go around. Yo, awesome. Gears up and take another approach. Yo, there. The ship just forced KLM to do a go around. Yo, where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? There. She's doing a go around. Yo. Awesome. Yo, after doing that go around, here she comes. Airbus A330 approaching for landing. Yo, this is awesome. Here she comes. KLM Airbus A330 arriving, approaching for landing. Here she comes. By the way, is one of the landing lights out? It seems so. Guys, you gotta replace this landing light on the left. Here she comes! KLM! Yo! There she comes! Yo! Beautiful! Beautiful landing! I love it! Yo! Yo! Awesome!